Welcome back to Dinar Community, your reliable hub for verified intelligence, factual analysis, and real-time alerts concerning the revaluation of the Iraqi Dinar IQD and Vietnamese Dong VND. Tonight marks what could easily be remembered as one of the most profound financial turning points of this century. Verified institutional sources and senior-level banking channels are now confirming that at approximately 10 o'clock local time, global financial systems began executing transactions under newly reinstated exchange rates for both currencies. What was once dismissed as mere speculation has now become an unfolding reality. This is not rumor or conjecture, this is direct confirmation from inside Tier 1 banking operations. Analysts and economic observers across the globe are labeling this moment as a monetary milestone of destiny. In the minutes ahead, we'll present data drawn from institutional screens, cross-border trading platforms, and verified settlement feeds, all confirming that activation is fully underway. We'll also examine which banks have gone live, what rates are surfacing, and what Tier 4B private exchange participants must do right now to secure their positions in this unprecedented wealth redistribution event. Activation confirmed across global banking networks. Years of speculation, planning, and anticipation have led to this night. Reports now confirm that major financial hubs, including New York, London, Dubai, and Zurich, are witnessing live rate adjustments for the IQD and VND. Trading platforms that had long shown dormant placeholders are now active with real, tradable values. Senior banking analysts have verified that what's being displayed are not test codes or dummy entries, but legitimate exchange values integrated within official financial systems. According to multiple institutional sources, the Iraqi dinar is currently trading within a band of roughly $4.10 to $6.75, aligning closely with previous projections for its full international reinstatement. The Vietnamese dong is also showing recalibrated movements, reflecting synchronized global realignment. The magnitude and coordination of these updates suggest that this is not an isolated national adjustment, it is a global, orchestrated event involving regulatory agencies, treasury departments, and central banks across continents. Redemption centers activated, logistical rollout begins. Following days of quiet but intense preparation, U.S.-based redemption centers have now entered active operational status. Verified staff notifications, security protocols, and appointment scheduling are all underway. Communication chains between Tier 1 through Tier 4B levels have moved from standby to full execution mode. Independent auditors monitoring settlement systems are confirming mirrored data within SWIFT and cross-border digital clearing channels, validating that these events are not isolated to any one network. This degree of synchronization reflects meticulous global coordination, ensuring that liquidity and stability are maintained during the rollout. In short, the world is witnessing a managed reactivation of two of the most anticipated currencies in modern history, an event that has the potential to reshape institutional portfolios, trade dynamics, and interbank liquidity flows for decades to come. The physical side. Iraq deploys new denominations. Inside Iraq, this monetary transformation is now being seen in tangible form. Reports from Baghdad confirm that new lower denomination notes are circulating, signaling that the revaluation extends beyond digital networks. This physical rollout is a clear indicator that the revaluation has entered full operational mode. Banks within Iraq are recalibrating ATMs, updating liquidity supply chains, and coordinating with commercial sectors to support the transition. These actions reinforce the reality that Iraq's central banking system is executing, not theorizing, the currency reset. A multi-layered financial evolution. Economists describe this as a textbook example of a multi-layered revaluation strategy, encompassing digital activation, institutional confirmation, and physical currency integration. For millions of long-term investors, tonight represents vindication, a payoff for years of research, patience, and belief in a process that many dismissed as impossible. This moment is not just about financial gain, it's a symbol of persistence, discipline, and resilience in the face of decades of uncertainty. Social channels and private investor forums are already buzzing with verified confirmations from exchange centers as the structured redemption process advances. Expert analysis. Structured, legitimate, and global. Veteran strategist Jonathan Myers describes this dual currency event as one of the largest wealth redistributions in modern finance. He emphasizes that Iraq's energy reserves, combined with Vietnam's industrial and export strength, provide solid economic foundations for such a monumental shift. Sarah Chen, a respected authority on Asian markets, forecasts a surge of foreign direct investment into Vietnam as the stronger dong boosts regional stability and purchasing power. Both experts concur that this synchronized revaluation represents the alignment of economic readiness, political will, and institutional execution, a convergence that could influence trade balances, commodity prices, and investment strategies for years to come. Tier 4B operations, appointments and security protocols. According to U.S. banking consultant Michael Rodriguez, the Tier 4B exchange process is now transitioning into structured appointment execution. These sessions are meticulously organized to protect participants, maintain compliance, and prevent logistical errors. Participants must come fully prepared, with pristine currency notes, receipts, identification, and supporting documents. Banks have been clear: adherence to official procedures is non-negotiable. The entire framework is designed to ensure speed, accuracy, and integrity, while filtering out unauthorized transactions and potential scams. Funds are expected to begin clearing within business days following successful verification. This marks the operational reality of a process long discussed but never before executed at this scale. Redemption hubs active. Compliance is crucial. Wells Fargo, Chase, and HSBC have confirmed Tier 4B appointment systems are now live, with redemption hubs in Texas, Florida, New York, and California operating extended hours to handle extraordinary demand. Participants are urged to avoid shortcuts, private brokers, or unofficial deals. Every exchange must occur through authorized Tier 1 banks or verified redemption centers. During appointments, individuals are encouraged to ask questions about exchange rates, payout structures, liquidity timelines, and taxation to make informed financial decisions. A monumental financial turning point. This operational rollout officially transitions the revaluation from anticipation to execution. Iraq's final step, the publication of the updated rate in the National Gazette, is expected to cement governmental validation, triggering broader global recognition. The ripple effects are already spreading. Vietnam is poised for an investment surge. Iraq strengthens its geopolitical standing within OPEC and global finance, and Western markets are recalibrating liquidity models in anticipation of new capital flows. The significance of this event goes far beyond currency speculation. It marks the start of a new financial era, validating years of preparation by both institutional and private participants. Moving forward with discipline and care. While this moment marks triumph for many, sudden access to wealth also brings responsibility. Investors are strongly advised to consult licensed legal, tax, and financial experts, maintain confidentiality, and protect all documentation until exchanges are complete. This is not the end of the journey, it is the first chapter of a global transformation that may reshape economic landscapes for generations. Dinar Community remains dedicated to delivering verified updates, strategic insights, and practical guidance to help our global community navigate this unprecedented new era. Disclaimer. The information contained in this report is provided solely for educational and informational purposes. It does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. Dinar Community and its contributors make no guarantees regarding the timing, rate, or occurrence of any currency revaluation event. All updates are based on publicly available data, third-party reports, and verified institutional insights. However, independent confirmation of all details may not be possible. Currency exchange and investment activities carry inherent risk. Readers are urged to conduct thorough independent research and consult licensed professionals before making any financial decisions. Dinar Community does not endorse or recommend any specific bank, redemption center, or financial opportunity. Beware of scams, unverified offers, and unauthorized individuals claiming insider access. Always exchange only through official Tier 1 institutions or certified redemption facilities. By engaging with this content, readers acknowledge full responsibility for their personal financial choices and agree that Dinar Community and its affiliates shall not be held liable for any resulting losses or damages.